Sitting on Season Group Break 2869, we're on to the 13-14 Series 1 Hobby and 10-11 Heroes and Prospects. Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. Shining Stars for the Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Base. Young Guns for the Minnesota Wild, Matthew Dumba. MVP for the Devils, Adam Henrique. MVP for the Penguins, Paul Coffey. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Sami Vatanen. Hockey Heroes for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Canvas for the Ottawa Senators, Kyle Turris. Young Guns for the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. That stupid promo thing, though. Maybe not. I thought I saw one. MVP for the Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Young Guns for the Phoenix Coyotes, Lucas Lesio. Canvas for the New York Islanders, Evgeny Nabokov. Upper Deck Game jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. MVP for the Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Hockey Heroes for the Boston Bruins, Ray Bourque. Canvas for the Minnesota Wild, Nicholas Backstrom. Upper Deck Game jersey for the Florida Panthers, Jose Taylor. Young Guns Canvas for the Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Very nice. Shining Stars for the Pittsburgh Penguins, James Neal. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Danny DeKeyser. DJ Danny D. We've got an MVP rookie for the Detroit Red Wings, Damian Bruner. All right, on to the Heroes and Prospects. I gotta figure out which other ones I can ruin for you. All right, we start with the game used jersey black for the Ottawa Senators, Kyle Turris. Base. 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 Look at all the base. AHL 75 seasons for the New York Rangers, Emile Francis. Base. 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 Autograph for the Montreal Canadiens, Jared Tenorti. C56 for the Buffalo Sabres, Dominic Hasek. Base. Base. Autograph for the Montreal Canadiens, Louis Leblanc. Base. Subway Super Series, game used jersey black for the Montreal Canadiens, Nathan Beaulieu. And we get a Memorial Cup champions for the Washington Capitals at Philip Grubauer. All right, go to next. Team Canada and Prism.